I'm Haley.
And I'm Davide.
Between the blogger
and the guide,
we are going to give you the best tips and tricks
to make the most of your trip to Rome.
Don't forget to subscribe. Summer is Europe's most popular season, and our beloved city of Rome is no exception.
Today, we are going to tell you 5 things you need to keep in mind during the busiest travel season in the Eternal City.
But first, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to get the best tips, tricks, and tours of Rome. Now let's get started.
First, it is going to be very hot. During June-August, the temperatures can get up to 90 degrees Fahrenheit, around 30 degrees Celsius. It is important to dress and plan appropriately.
Secondly, since it is going to be so hot, you need to be careful where you are choosing your accommodations. If you are traveling from somewhere like the United States that is used to air conditioning, you are going to be in for a big surprise if you don't double check this when picking a place to stay in Rome. This also carries over to restaurants. Keep in mind that some of these buildings are so old and will not have air conditioning.
Third, book your outdoor tours in the morning. It is best to aim for the first possible time slots for attraction like the Colosseum. The temperature is cooler and these will be the lowest crowd times of the day. It pays to get out early in the morning to other sites like Trevi Fountain because the crowds will not be out yet.
Number 4, this might sound trivial, but do not expect ice. This was one struggle for me when I first went to Italy because I love ice in my beverages. Most places do not serve ice in beverages, and iced coffees are not very common. I'll never forget when Davide and I were having dinner one night at Maestro Ciccia, one of our favorites near Piazza Navona, and the ultimate joy that I had when my glass Coke bottle was accompanied by an unprompted glass with ice. I'm pretty sure I died and went to heaven.
And last but not least, fifth, book your tours ahead of time. During peak season, tours can sell out days, weeks, and months ahead of time. The summer season is filled with our highest crowds of the year. Don't miss out on the Colosseum, Vatican, or the trips to places like Pompeii or Tivoli by not booking ahead. Pro tip: check out the link below for some of our awesome day trip tours from Rome.
We hope that you will visit this beautiful city soon. If the temperatures and crowds aren't your idea of fun, Rome has an absolutely wonderful off-season, which is actually when I prefer to travel to her. However, a trip to Rome is never a bad idea.
And let us know in the comments why you would like to visit our beautiful city. Ciao belli!